Looking for a cost-effective corrugated box-making machine? The Suzhou Rencheng semi-automatic SanDan Wang printing slotting machine is the ideal solution designed exactly for your facility. Engineered to process diverse 3, 5, and 7-layer corrugated cardboards, this versatile machinery extensively serves industries producing food packaging, small appliance cartons, agricultural containers, and hardware boxes. It expertly handles high-frequency order changes, small batch tasks, and multi-size scattered orders, efficiently fabricating express cartons, postal boxes, and regular special-shaped cartons with minimized material waste. Addressing critical operational complexities, the machinery incorporates an intuitive touchscreen user interface, allowing novice operators to learn the system independently within just 1 to 2 days. Furthermore, its labor-optimized workflow requires only a standard setup of 2 operators, 1 person for paper feeding and 1 for receiving, thereby significantly reducing plant overhead while optimizing daily factory throughput. Contact our specialized technical sales engineering support team today to request precise plant parameters, and remember to subscribe to our official channel for more advanced manufacturing insights.